So rather than doing that, if I have a hard drive, even that hard drive is 5 megabyte, my work will be easy. So it's a luxury, right? And those days the data was not that big, right? They didn't have big videos and all, right? Like you all have, right? So USR is a directory of file system. It has some main components. One is called bin, other one is called SBin, and then CCS. Like that, many things are there. Many directories are there under that. Share, a lot of things are there. Shareman. Share. Not man, share. So like that, there are many directories. There is kernel, there is a directory called kernel also under USR, right? You have a directory called kernel under USR?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have a directory called kernel also. So don't worry about those directories. We are very worried about only these two. As at now. When we talk about this, we will worry about the other ones. Right? These may be useful for us later. But as of now, these two are important. Man is under this, and kernel drivers are under this, right? And some libraries kernel use. Right? So what information is in bin?
User commands.
User commands. A command used by user, right? Can it be used by a super user also?
Yeah.
Can be, right? So user commands mainly. SPD is
System
super user. The commands used by super user. Can you tell me about 5 commands which are here and not here?
User add, user diffuse, user not. All those.
Can you confirm that, please? Can you confirm that? In AX it is not like that.
In here it is like that.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then what else?
Who do?
One?
Who do?
Voodoo. Yeah, voodoo could be. Yeah.
CFG.
Format.
CFG. ADM.
CFG ADM the Solaris does
So
that.
left CSC.
AX has. Can you execute it?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, execute it
UFS.
won't work.
UFS, FSCK.
Does it work? What is it?
UFS, FSCK.
FSCK, new FS,
CADM.
CADM,
User add.
user add.
It works.
What's there? So CFG MGR works here. Okay. Then what else?
config.
If config, yeah.
No, if config, anybody can see.
No, anybody can. No. It doesn't mean.
But you don't see the.
No, it doesn't mean all the commands here cannot be used by others. It doesn't mean like that.
Okay.
If config is here, but I can't execute like this. USR slash
Okay.
SBin.
Okay.
If config, it will work. Right?
I think if config works without the USRSP.
For user, it doesn't work. Because it is not in your path.
Okay.
That's the only reason.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So if config is there in USR bin directory, can you check? USR bin, if config is there,
If config, if user is not using, they don't show.
it's not
some-
there. It's not in the path. If I type if config, it will say bad command, right?
Mhm.
That means it's not there in the path. Or you can say which if config, and it will find out from where it is using. But for you, it won't answer because you don't have path USR SPin
No,
in
it's
your
not
path.
there.
So it's not there, right?
Use the S-pin.
If it is not in the path, which command won't work? Give the answer, right?
Use the
Right?
S-pin. Use the S-pin.
SPin only is there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what about a command called cancel? You know, print jobs, if I want to cancel, delete, I use the command called cancel. Can you find out whether it is in USR bin? It's there, right?
Yeah, use the bin.
Yeah, what is the size of that command? ls minus l, cancel? Try the same thing in USR SPin also.
We use the S-pin.
What is the size? And who is the owner?
It's such a directory.
Can you find it? ls minus n. Who is the owner? Cancel command.
There is no command.
There is no command, no function. Which bin? User bin.
Pardon?
It is only in user directory. User command.
Only user,
User.
s bin or bin?
Bin only.
Only bin. So
Bin.
it's not there in the s bin, right?
No, it is not in
Only bin.
That's correct, right? So can super user use cancel command?
Yes.
Yes.
Can a regular user use cancel command?
Yes.
What is the difference between that? Those two. If a super user uses cancel command, he can delete everybody's job. When a regular user uses cancel command, he can delete only
His job.
his
His
job
job.
if it's not in a role, right?
Okay.
If it's not switched to a role. So the power
Change.
yeah, it's something like it's like a small knife is used by a small baby and a big guy. The power is different. Because when you execute that as a super user, you are executing that command as with the effective user ID of S user, super user. So you have more power. So that's a good example, even though it's in USR, when this command is same, but the user using it is different. So that you understood. Then what about var? What are the things under var?
Spool, bin,
Spool log.
You will have spools, the things which are changing in size, right? So what are the things changing in size? Spool, then
Log.
log, then you have a directory called Adam and you have a directory called Sadam. So what is the difference between Adam and Sadam? Sadam is sad things or Adam? Okay.
Super
admin,
admin.
admin,
This is like something like
Admin,
Sue
regular
logs.
admin.
Your Sue log will be there, messages log will be here. Something related to package installation, patch installation, those type of things will be in Sadam. Right? So school, Adam, Sadam, right? Then what else you have? Under school, what are the different things? You have cron jobs, you have LP jobs under school,
Package.
package,
Samba.
Samba. Okay, all those things.
SBCSO in the bar. SBC.
Yeah, under Y we have SVCS also, SVC also.
Service replacement.
That is an important directory. Any logs related to SVC, we have individual logs for each and every service. So if a print service didn't start, I have a log for print service. So I don't have to open a big log and go up and down and search for the right problem. I have a small log, maybe this size. So after I watch and solve the problem, delete the contents. Right?
There is a directory PSEUDO.
Sudo.
Sudo. P means
P is Sudo means not true.
not
Like
true.
pseudopodia in amoeba, you know, entamoeba histolytica. In that there is pseudopodia. Right? Pseudo means not true. Comes and goes. Right? Okay, the bar is there. Then what is the next one?
Temp. There's a temp.
Temp is there. That is
Temp.
like your swap.
Swap.
And then even your by default your dumps will be saved here. Your dumps will be saved under.
Swap.
If you want to change the dump device, you have to change. Then it won't do it under there. Then what is the other one? Dev.
Dev.
And you know devices that I showed you yesterday. They will have all the logical names. Devices will have all the physical names. Logical name is for human beings. Physical names are
Machines.
for machines. We don't use physical names, but we understand physical names, right? If it is CMDK, we know it's SATA. If it is SD, we know it's Cassidisk. If it is ID, we know ID, right?